Now, the big story we're following for you today, the case of a man convicted of beating his girlfriend's 5-year-old son to death back in 2013 could be heading back before a jury again. In 2014, an Erie County jury convicted 29-year-old Matthew Kuzdzal of second-degree murder in the death of his then-girlfriend's 5-year-old son, Ian Brooks. He was sentenced to 50 years to life in prison, but the defense got that conviction thrown out. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Liz Lewin was in court today. She's in our newsroom now with the latest on this story.
Well, Keith, this afternoon we learned that prosecutors will move forward with this case as they continue to work to keep Kuzdzal locked up for the rest of his life. Now, Erie County District Attorney John Flynn says the State Court of Appeals, which is New York's highest court, will hear an appeal of that appellate court decision last year that reversed Kuzdzal's murder conviction. Now, his conviction was overturned after the defense called into question 2 jurors who were allegedly heard calling the defendant a scumbag outside of the courtroom. Today, attorneys on both sides tell me they understand that this process will take time.
We're going to go to the Court of Appeals and make the argument to the Court of Appeals that the jury was right, Judge Burns did nothing wrong, and this individual should be in jail for the rest of his life.
His position all along has been, I did not sexually assault that child. What happened was I lost my temper, and it was more of a horrible accident than anything else.
Now, Kuzdzal will remain in jail without bail during the appeal process. Now, as for a timeline, DA Flynn tells me today that they understand it'll take some time, but they expect to hear back from the Court of Appeals within a week as to a logistical calendar moving forward. In the newsroom, Liz Lewin, 7 Eyewitness News.